and a boogie-boo. Hi guys, how are you? Good to see you. I have a fun thing for us to do today. It's fine garlic powder, onion, paprika, Mexican oregano. So we will be needing just our spices for now. I am going to take a teaspoon of Mexican oregano. The molcajete, that's just called, or mortar and pestle. They know that we bloom our spices. Causes enough friction where the natural oils in the spices will come out on their own.
There's our taco seasoning.
Saved us almost $1. I saved us close to $1 because that probably cost me $0.25. But you know what, you guys? I try to show you ways to cut so that you could save money and have more in your pocket. In case you're wondering how to line your muffin tin with parchment paper, you're not alone. Here's a sample of a video I have made of exactly how to do that. If you want to watch the whole thing, I'll flag it at the end of this video for you. Cut your parchment paper into squares. You want to make 4 corners, but not all the way. Let me show you. I will make sure to flag this at the end of the video for you in case you choose to watch it. Because remember, these are just appetizers. Perfect. Perfect. Come on, get in. It'll stick in there. Put some, Now just take some taco meat, scoop it, put it right in the little cups, just like that. Easy enough. All right. Jaffa said time up. And so I've got my polar bear gloves on. Watch this. Oh, perfect, you guys. These are absolutely perfect. Just a second. Let me show you. What do you think? Yeah? Yeah? Should we try one now? What do you think? Should we have husband try? Husband is right here. We have husband try one. Yeah? What opinion?
It's a bite taco. I like it.
You heard him. It's a 2-bite taco. He likes it. Yeah.
Very tasty.
Good.